Hi, I'd like to propose a solution for a broken hinge on the Lenovo Yoga 7i. What we see here is that the hinge is broken in this place. The other one is complete. What I did was open the plastic bezel here with a plastic tool. I primed it open. I primed it open along the ridge from the top. And then I took out this piece. This piece is broken all along here. I drilled 1.9 millimeter holes that can take a M2 screw. And what I intend to do is close this latch with 3 M2 8 millimeter screws and put the nuts on the other side. This way, this problem can be resolved without opening the PC. The PC is closed and and you don't need to do anything with it. No problem, just a solution without disassembling the whole computer and replacing the back cover. Here you can see that I've already put in 2 screws. Just notice that in order to get this hinge into place, what you have to do is tilt the hinge more than 180 degrees, this part, tilt it inside, and then push it down, and then insert these 2 screws. The problem is that the last screw, the head of the screw, is too wide. As you can see, it goes over, and it's a little problem. What you can do is take a little screw and make it a little square like this, cut it all over, and then you can put the screw inside without any problem. As you can see, the final repair, the bezel is assembled. Currently it's a little out because there are standard Phillips screws and not low profile screws. I may be replacing them and doing the same procedure on the other side, using the same drill and everything. As you can see, on the back, there are 3 screws. It will be the same on the other side. And the assembly is aligned completely, as you can see. No problem with this procedure. Simple and very inexpensive. Wish you luck. Sorry. Bye.